Let's take a look at the image print interface. In this short video, we want to get comfortable with how things are laid out in the interface and where to find certain things. So let's start on the left and we'll move from left to right. On the far left is a floating toolbar. If you mouse over any of the items on the toolbar, it will show you what they are. These are all self-explanatory. Up at the top, we have some XY location for image position on the page, as well as image size. So let's go ahead and bring an image on and you can see that. So we can see its XY location. It's not at 0, 0 because I'm not in a borderless print mode, and there are non-printable margins on the left, right, top, and bottom of the page. You can see the size of the image, and as I size the image or move it around, these numbers will change. Then there's also our shuffle icons, and you can learn about those in the specific videos about layout and shuffling. In the center here, we have our actual page layout. I'm on a page size of 24 by 36, and everything is WYSIWYG. No matter what I do here, I move an image around. If I were to hit print, it's going to print exactly how you see this laid out on the page. As I move an image around, there's some key things that happen. As I cross like the middle mark vertically or horizontally, you can see a little red line light up, and that tells you that I've reached an important border, whether I'm in the middle of the page or as it pertains to image, as I cross a boundary of an image, it will light up and show that I'm there, and it will snap to that position if I let go. Now, some of the other things moving on towards the middle here, we have our image browser, and this is pointed at a folder, and it's going to show you everything in that folder. So it'll show you other folders and, of course, any images that are available in that folder. Using the folder icon here, you can change the location of where it's pointing to. And if you go under View, up at the top, we can say Add an image browser. And we can add as many image browsers as we want, and we can point them all to different folder locations, and we can drag and drop images to the layout window from any of those locations. We can also grab the title bar, and we can move these anywhere we want to customize our layout. When we're happy with the position, just let go, and it'll dock to that new position. You can also expand these to control how many columns you want to see of images. You can also, up at the very top, there are some choices for thumbnail size and font size, and you can change some ordering and things like that for each browser independently. Moving further on to the right, we have our dashboard. Now, the dashboard is where all of our features are for choosing our printer, color management, which we call medium management, which is everything about profiles and the driver options for that printer. I'll expand that. These are expandable and collapsible, so you only have to look at what you want to look at. And in one easy glance in blue here, you can see all the current settings. So even if it's collapsed, you can see if there's a setting set and what that setting is. Over at the very top of the dashboard, we have our print button. This is going to take everything that's on our page layout from a single page or multiple pages, create a job out of it, and send it to the spooler. And we have over on the far right a little icon of a printer. And if we click that, that brings up our spooler so that we can see our job activity and what is currently happening with the printing process. So in a nutshell, that is the layout of the UI for image print, both red and black. They look the same and function the same. And I encourage you to view some of the more feature-specific videos to learn how each feature works in depth. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.